Welcome to Water Sparks. Today we are going to see how to connect a dishwasher RO for your dishwasher machine. Everybody needs a dishwasher RO nowadays because the hardness present in the water is, if it is beyond 100 ppm, a dishwasher would not actually work properly and you will have a lot of complicancies. So let's see how we are going to install a dishwasher RO. And this is a Water Sparks dishwasher RO plant which you are seeing here. I'm just going to show you what are the parts inside this. Once you unbox the Water Sparks dishwasher RO, you will find these items here, which is the main machine. You have these all equipments also inside, your tube, and you have a adapter, and you have a 3/4 inlet connector, and you have also a inlet connection plastic equipment. So these are equipments, and apart from that you also have the main unit here. And I'm just going to tell you what this main unit consists of. Yeah, that will be the inlet, so where you have to put the inlet line here. This is your first filter, which is a micron filter, and the second one is also a micron filter. Then you have a high pressure pump on the top, which is a 300 GPD pump. So it's not like a normal RO machine because it's been connected to a 2 membrane here. So each membrane would deliver about 15 to 20 liters per hour, so because only then you can run a dishwasher. So these 2 membranes are connected to the hydropneumatic pressure storage tank here. So once a little bit of water which is coming out of this hydropneumatic tank, immediately the RO plant will start kicking and fill the water in the pneumatic tank so that it feeds the sufficient water for your dishwasher. Now let's see how we are going to do the installation part. Usually your dishwasher will be connected to the main inlet line of your tap, and this is how it will look, and this will be your inlet line, and the other end will be connected to your dishwasher, and this will be your outlet line. Now what we have to do is the inlet line has to be removed from the main inlet part, and now we have to remove this, and there will be also an adapter, and we have to remove that one also. And now what we have to do is, which is provided in the box, we have to take this part so that the o-ring is there, so you don't have to add any Teflon in fact, and connect it here. So what you have to do is, this adapter has to be fixed inside the inlet line again here, okay, which you have removed it from the main line, and you have another part which is here. Take this part, which is a 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch tube adapter. This you have to put it in this so that you'll be able to connect your RO to this line. So this becomes the main inlet for the dishwasher. So you have to connect this here. If necessary, you can add a Teflon tape so that you don't avoid the leakages. So now this setup is done. Hand tight is enough. That's all. You need to connect this RO tube. So your inlet line is ready now. The other end of the tube to be connected to the inlet of the machine, and you have to push it very hard so that it goes inside, and now the job is done. Now let's see the outlet part of the dishwasher RO. You will see this outlet part here, and this will be outlet part which you have to connect it to the dishwasher. Actually, you need to push it hard and fix this tube because it's looking in the front. Let us push this on the back side. Now that this tube is at the back side, and this is just for the aesthetic purpose. And this line, now what you have to do is you have to connect it to the dishwasher line here. Okay, now it's all set. Now what you have to do is make sure that you have 2 power points for the dishwasher as well as for the RO plant, and the dishwasher power point should be always on so that the machine kicks on and keeps the water stored in the pneumatic tank. Maybe dishwasher can be put it off and on whenever you require, but the RO plant should be always on. Keep that in mind.